Hi everyone and welcome to our Excel's basic series. Today in this video we are going to learn about the font section under the home tab. The font section contains different elements like the font type, font size and different formatting tools of bold, italic, underline and then the border, fill color and font color.
Don't forget to subscribe KnowHow and press the bell icon for more videos.
This is an exemplary data on which we will apply this different formatting. So first I am going to show you how you can change the font. So I will select this and then go to this font. When I click this button, font types appeared in front of me. I can select any of the style from this list. Then I also wanted to increase its size. To increase its size, I will go to the next button, that is the font size. When I click this, I can change the font size from this button. You can also use this font increase or font decrease button. If you click font increase multiple times, it will go on increasing the font size. If you click this button of decrease font size, it will start decreasing your font size. Now the next thing is how you can make a thing bold. For this purpose, we will select this different planets theme and then go to this bold button. So when I click this bold button, you can see that the text has been bolded. If I again click this, it will make it unbold. You can also use a shortcut of Ctrl B to make it bold or unbold. Now the next thing is how you can make them italic or underline. For this purpose, I will select this text and then click italic. Now you can see that the text is italicized. If I click it again, it will change to original. Similarly, you can select any text and make it underline by using this U underline button. You can also double underline by clicking this double underline button. Now the next thing is how to make the borders of the cells. For this purpose, I will select this data and then go to this border button and then I can choose any type of border. For example, I want everything border, so I will select all border from this list. Now you can see that the border on my table is applied. Now I will show you how you can use the fill color option. For this purpose, I am going to select the headers of the table and then click this button side with the fill color. When I click this button, you can see that we have different colors available in the Excel. The first row is actually the 10 colors that we have used recently. Under this, we have the different colors, we have the standard colors, or we can choose different colors from this list. So for example, I am choosing this color and you can see that this color is filled in the cells. This is the plain color. This is not the only option that Excel provides us. Excel provides us with number of other options. For this purpose, I am going to select this data, click this button with the fill color, go to the more colors, and here I will go to the custom, and now I can change to any color. Excel provides us with various options for fill color. For this purpose, I will select these cells and then click this button. Now I will go to the fill option. Here I can select the pattern color and then I can select the pattern style and then click this OK. So now you can see that the cells are filled not the plain color but the textured color. Now the last button is the font color. So I will select this data and then I can select any color from the list. So the color that I will select will be applied on this data. So this was all about the font section under the home tab. Thanks for joining us today and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Excel tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions for future video, leave them in the comments below. Happy excelling!